Well, I might as well look around, said the termite. She burrowed into a hole and started to munch on some wood. Just then, the woodpecker passed by. What's that munching sound? He asked. No, everyone knows that a woodpecker is a termite's worst fear.
Worst fear.
But this little bug was munching very hard. She did not know the bird was lurking
Nearby.
nearby. In a flurry of wood chips, the woodpecker drilled into the far tree. He came face to face with the little termite. Yum, yum, said the woodpecker. Oh no, oh no. I should never have left home. The bug moaned. Home? Where is that? Said the woodpecker. As it turned out, the woodpecker liked to chat.
Thank you.